Hello, my name is Danielle Belskis, Automation Engineer in the Automation Center Department at Omron.
And welcome to Omron's session on automated bin picking with 3D vision. We are excited to share with you today the features of Omron's new 3D vision system and how it can be integrated with other Omron product families. This demo incorporates a variety of Omron's automation technology, including the new FH3D Vision sensor, an FH Vision System controller, and an Omron TM collaborative robot. The integrated solution offered with the FH3D Vision System and Omron TM collaborative robot offers users great flexibility for bin picking applications in their production environment. With the 3D Vision sensor's compact design, the camera can be mounted directly to the robot wrist, so there is no need for additional integration hardware. The FH Vision system communicates directly to the 6-axis robot via TCP/IP, so there is also no need for any additional hardware to handle communications. This can significantly reduce the solution's footprint on the factory floor and enhance its flexibility.
In this video, I will be showing you Omron's 3D bin picking demo with our new FH3D Vision system with the Omron TM collaborative robot. I will be going over the technology it uses and then highlighting its key features, typical applications, and how it can be used to create a broad range of automation solutions for certain industries. I will also go over some of the key benefits it provides and key differentiators that separate it from other solutions. First of all, I'd like to point out that this solution demo is a great representation for not just Omron's vision technology, but our robotics technology as well. The technologies used here in this demo are the FH Vision system, the FH3D camera, and the TM collaborative robot. Now how this operates is, first, the collaborative robot, when equipped with our new 3D Vision camera, is able to pick up known objects with random overlapping positions out of a bin. Traditionally, this was difficult to automate due to shapes and orientations of objects. Next, the 3D camera locates objects and sends their coordinates to the robot, while the software makes the advanced calculations required for optimized trajectory to pick the objects. This combination of 3D camera plus collaborative robot could then be assembled on top of our mobile robot for full flexibility to pick parts from a row of multiple bins, placing them on a single sorted location for another part of the process. So, a typical application for a solution system like this would include automated 3D bin picking of objects with some 2D visual inspection capabilities as needed. For example, 2D code reading. This type of application is often found in the automotive industry. However, in actuality, it can be applied for any sorting applications where known parts would come from inside a bin. As long as you have the predefined material to be picked up, such as CAD data or required measured profile, it can be used for multiple bin picking applications. For the food and beverage packaging industry specifically, this includes applications involving bin picking and palletizing or packing of food and beverage products. Now, let's go over some of the key benefits you will get from using this solution and these technologies. With the Omron TM collaborative robot, one of the main benefits is the ability to pick randomly oriented products from a bin and place them in an orderly fashion, with the added capability of operating the robot in both collaborative and high-speed modes. Regarding the FH Vision sensor, it comes with an easy automated calibration process of the 3D sensor while mounted on a robotic arm, identification of 3D objects in a bin, and access to many of the FH Vision system's 2D inspection capabilities, including but not limited to 2D code reading for bin and part identification. What makes this particular solution different than others like it is that it includes a compact, lightweight, and fast FH 3D camera, which is installed at the robot arm instead of a fixed station, therefore reducing the footprint on the factory floor. This facilitates the installation and also provides more flexibility when acquiring images at multiple angles, while also being able to read additional information such as 2D codes. Even better, the unique active one-shot technology allows for 3D inspections in under a half a second, which is extremely fast in the industry.
It is important to note the many differentiating factors that Omron's 3D vision system brings. It offers fast 3D detection of parts in half a second using patented active one-shot technology. The 3D sensor itself is small and lightweight, enabling it to be mounted directly to the robot arm. The FH Vision system offers an automated calibration process of the 3D sensor while it is mounted to the robot arm to ensure a successful and accurate setup process. The 3D Vision system's camera also comes equipped with the 2D sensor and a variety of the 2D inspection tools from our standard FH Vision inspection systems to further enhance the integrated solution. And finally, Omron is ready to supply multiple construction guides and sample programs for both the FH3D Vision system and compatible 6-axis robots to ease the implementation.
This demo showcases Omron's automation and flexibility solution for your robotic and vision inspection needs. With unique human-robot collaboration capabilities and a fast, robust 3D vision camera, it demonstrates how intelligent modular design can improve production time and flexibility. If you would like to learn more about Omron's TM collaborative robot with 3D vision bin picking solution, the integrated technologies it uses, and solutions around flexibility or customization, please visit our website at automation.omron.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope it was helpful.